Hello and welcome to the channel dedicated to all pocket watch lovers. Today I am bringing you the solution to a very common problem that usually raises doubts for many people. How to put hands back in place after they have fallen off your watch. I know this is a very basic process for some people who visit the channel, but for others it can be a great help. I have a pocket watch here with some loose hands. In this specific case, the minute hand and the second hand are out of place, with the latter being the one that comes off most easily due to its delicacy. I will demonstrate the whole process step by step. Stay tuned and you will see that in the future you will be able to put your watch hands back on simply and without any trouble. After carefully removing the hands, I gently clean the dial and the hands using soft paper to eliminate any accumulated residue or dirt. After securing the hands, I always check if there is enough clearance between the hour and minute hands so they do not touch, and I do the same regarding the second hand. This way, we avoid the risk of them getting stuck on each other and causing the watch to stop. I hope this video is useful to you. Don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel as more complete restoration videos are coming up.